Hello guys, welcome to another episode on how to play Sunday Best by Surfaces. Stay tuned and I hope you enjoy it. So guys, let's start with strumming, right? So use the same strumming for the verse, for the 4 chords, right? So this is how it goes. Right? So it's down, mute, mute, down, up, and down. Down, mute, mute, down, up, and down. And you move on to the next one, right? Right? So guys, let's move on to the verse, right? So this is how you play it. It's exactly the same chords, right? But it's different strumming. So let me show you how to do it. So the first chord strumming is, right? Down, up, down. The second one, up, down. Up, down. The next one is up, down as well. Down, down, up, down, and the last one is down, up, right? So thank you for watching guys, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel where you can learn your favorite songs on the guitar. And if you'd like me to do a lesson on how to play your favorite song, please drop the comment below and I'll see what I can do with it. Thank you, bye!